Today I'll be working on a 2013 Mazda 3.
The truth.
I'm going to be replacing the little window strips that run right along the bottom of your window right here. This is the part number for the front driver's side on the hatchback. And this is the part number for the rear driver's side. Remember, all these part numbers are for the hatchback and not the sedan. This is the part number for the passenger side on the front for the hatchbacks. This is the part number for the rear window seal on the passenger side. Now typically there's a little tab underneath here. You'd have to get in there with a pry tool, pop the tab, and pull it out. Mine's obviously broken, but on the other side, on my driver's side, I had to go underneath and kind of pry this up as I went along. This one was very loose, but once you pry it up all the way down, it just kind of pulls right out. Good thing to do is to measure up your old one to your new one. Make sure everything fits just the same and the tabs are in the same location. You can also measure it up to where it sits on the car. So your tab sits here, and this part will go slightly into where your rearview mirror is. Before putting the new one on, I have to go along and just kind of clean up this edge here. It's probably been since 2013 that this was even cleaned. I have to get in there and I like to clean all the surfaces that new strip is going to sit on. Once it's all cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and stick this in right inside where the rear mirror is. Now wedge it down in there a bit. Go. Make sure your back end lines up before you start pushing it all the way down. There we go, just like that. And just kind of gently press all the way down and snap the rear end in right there. Give another good press. And the front side's done. Now for the rear of the car, it's basically the same. You have a little tab right here. You're also going to have a little tab right about here. And both of mine are broken off. So we're just going to go ahead and just pry up all the way down. If you did have the tabs, you have to come in from the back side and release the tab and then pull it up. But we'll work our way down. Pull up at the same time. All the way out. Once again, I'm going to go along and clean it. As you can tell, it's quite dirty along in here. You can also use your pry tool and just kind of wrap it in the rag. Get down into some of these little crevices. Alright, so you got these tabs. You're going to want to line up these little holes on the rear doors on the hatch. It's got one tab on the front, one tab on the rear. I like to start from the front. Just going to snap my tab into place. Push down. And make sure my back tab lines up. Press it down as well. Go ahead and press it all the way in. So that is the rear and the front window seals. It's going to be the exact same thing on the driver's side. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And I hope this video helped.